we're not dead, but we've come to help you get the gold as opposed to them.
Pourquoi?
We've come to help you.
Why?
They shot the fuck out of us.
Oh!
They killed us.
Right, okay.
Decided to shoot
So
us.
we've decided that you're our friends.
Okay, well, as a sign of good faith, here is a smoke grenade. This is a ceremonial smoke grenade passed down from my great someone.
I'm honoured. Well, we know where the gold is. We're going to help you get it.
Where's the gold?
But they are just the other side of the gold, so we're going to have to fight our way in or flank round them.
Where's the gold?
It's in the middle, just in here. If you look through here, you can see some of it.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
in plain view anyway.
Right, guys, let's go.
Watch it now. Swing around beside you, by the way.
Which side are they going?
They're coming round.
Right, okay. Suits. Do you want to hold in here?
How do you get the gold? I go to school, boys.
Anyone else got the idea that they're going to take the gold off?
A couple of guys around there. Yo! My 6, yep. Do you want to bug that out back to the...
Yes, sir. Keep them on.
Yeah.
If they look to just shoot them straight ahead of us.
Yep. Gold bar.
Is that James or is that?
Yeah.
That's going on top of the pile.
Where are you taking your gold?
Down that bottom ditch.
Down the bottom ditch.
So bang gold down and we'll go sort them out.
Remember, it's by the tree.
Yep.
Where's our respawn points on the other side?
Our respawn is that far corner.
He's definitely not us because he's the
Yeah.
opposition leader.
Hold up a sec. Bill, what are you doing with your flag? Oh, right. Yeah. Oh, right. Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Let him go past. Yeah. No, we've not found any yet.
What gold? What's that all about? Did you have squatters?
Yeah.
Is that one of ours? Is that one of those? No, it's theirs, I think.
We'll wait for these guys before we take the goal.
Yeah.
There's two more over there, they are. But...
Where? Oh, yeah. I don't know. We'll just chill here. I don't think so.
Over there, I don't think they are. The ones who've just gone up there weren't either.
Right. So they just agreed not to engage you until they get to their base then?
Yeah, they were looking for
pretty
that.
much. We're just, they're not shooting us, we're not shooting them, so.
Should we put that back in the base then?
Fucking flying around you.
The tension. That's our team there. Right. If we were to loop round with gold.
Yeah. Oh, who's these guys here?
Yeah, they're
They're
ours.
definitely out, right?
Yeah. Oh, they're
Right,
pissed. Yeah, ours.
Who's that guy dead ahead?
No idea.
Show us your money.
Hang on, boys, hang on, boys.
Hit! Right!
Oh,
Hit!
we see what happens.